My Sienci laser is not powerful enough to go through Baltic ply. Do you plan to offer an 7 watt limitation on your laser as a deal breaker? I was looking at the laser, but would like to install something more powerful in the near future. Is there a stronger laser unit kit? 12 watts. Will Sienci be looking at adding 20 plus lasers in the future? You have laser module, laser with higher output than 7 watts. Something adding powerful lasers. 20 plus watt plans for a CO2 laser. We need to make a CO2 laser. I need a world-class engineer and product developer.
You son of a I'm in.
I need a talented laser operational specialist.
You son of a I'm in.
I need a driven marketing savant.
You son of a I'm in.
Time is everything. If we make a more powerful, faster laser, we're giving our customers their time back. We're allowing our customers to explore projects that just didn't make sense with the laser and long mill.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Awesome. Great job, everyone.
Nice. Now we have to convince the boss.
Hey, what's up?
We want to release a CO2 laser. What do you think?
Let me check with the people upstairs. Hello, we have a proposal for you.
Wait, what if our customers don't know what a CO2 laser is?
Yeah, that's true. But I feel like if they use the long mill, they should be familiar with like what a CNC is, right? And a CO2 is very similar to that. Instead of a router, you have a laser head. Like what produces the power is a CO2 laser, right?
So we already have the laser beam diode laser add-on for the long mill. Why don't we just make one that's more powerful?
Honestly, I think that stacking more diodes for more power seems like a race to the bottom. Because we're building a purpose-built platform for the CO2 laser, we get to utilize more speed, we get to utilize more power, and we get to build an enclosure to keep our customers safe and also increase the venting capacity. So what's the difference between how these things move?
So a lot of CNC routers are prioritizing rigidity over anything else, which means they typically have very heavy parts and moving gantries, and they might be very slow relatively. So for a CO2 laser, we can make gantries and parts lighter so they can move faster, and use a different transmission system like a pulley so that we can engrave faster and cut faster to keep up with the powerful speed of the CO2 laser.
Do you think there's space for us in the CO2 laser market?
Yes, there is. So right now, laser customers have a few different options. There's low-cost machines, which usually use lower quality parts and offer little to no support. There's high-cost machines that have great quality parts, but are usually too expensive for most makers and small businesses. Then there's mid-sized machines that look great, but have smaller bed sizes, which can limit the amount of projects that you can do. Just like we did with the long mill, we aim to be reasonably priced, high-quality machine, made in Canada, with a large bed size, with the Sienci Labs support that we're known for.
Okay, great. I can definitely work with that.
Dope.
So what are the main hurdles of bringing this product to market?
The only difference between bringing the long mill to market and the CNC laser cutter is that we have to abide by international laser safety guidelines. Luckily, we have a lot of experience with this, with the laser beam release. So as long as we work with a globally recognized testing agency, we'll be all right.
Awesome.
Okay. You get it. We're releasing a laser CO2 CNC. If you're interested, sign up for the email list in the description or the bio, and do us a favor, fill out the survey. We don't want to make something that you don't want, and you know at Sienci Labs, we take your input very seriously.
So this is the new Sienci Labs building?
Yep.
This place is huge.
Exactly why we're looking to release more product lines.
Or we can open up a guinea pig sanctuary